Hey guys, I'm here with Sean Paul today, and he's going to demonstrate the advanced park feature.
Hi guys, I'm Sean Paul, delivery coordinator at Lexus of Madison. As Mikkel said, we're going to demonstrate the advanced park. So what you're going to want to do is make sure that your car is in drive, and you're going to want to basically go slow enough to approach a parking spot. And then you're going to hit this little P button that's got the steering wheel on it. You got to make sure the car comes to a complete stop. You're going to push that button, and then on the screen it's going to say check the parking space. Let's go for this one, and we can choose whether we want the car to be backed into a spot or if we want it to pull in. So we're just going to have the car back in. So we're going to hit the start button, and then I have to release the brake to move. So I take my foot off the brake, and now it's all hands-free. So the way the car is doing this is it's using the monocular cameras on each mirror, as well as the bird's eye view sensors on each mirror. It's got 4 sensors in the front, 4 sensors in the back, a front parking sensor and a back parking sensor. So that's how it's able to detect where the car is. And if I were to ever need to override the advanced park, all I'd have to do is either grab the steering wheel or apply the brake. So notice how that was a perfect example of how that car was coming at us. The car already slowed down and it judged that car was coming. So that's also a great feature that these Lexuses do. And then once it finishes backing up, it's going to say advanced park finish, and it's going to show a 360 view of how the car parked itself.